Oh, and please ignore all that. I was doing laundry this morning, and so yeah, hung up a bunch of stuff to dry. But let's take a look at what I have. I've got a lot. I used to have a dedicated film fridge, but it wasn't quite working right. So I kind of abandoned it and just put it all in my fridge. Most of my fridge is film. I don't have a lot of food in there, but let's see what we got. I haven't visually seen what I even have in a long time. Ooh, I still have a pack of Spectrum Edition film. Oh, I love this stuff. It's like that pixelated frames. The chemistry in this one was so nice. The last time I shot it was, they got some photos of it at the, what's it called? The Last Blockbuster. I love this stuff. That was fun. My favorite film that I wish I had bought more of was the Summer Wave film. Oh, that stuff was really nice. That stuff was so good. I shot a pack of it, the only pack I ever had, on the streets of LA at some of the My Name is Earl filming locations. That stuff was years past its expiration, but yeah, we'll get into that in a second. And those came out vivid, beautiful. Oh, the vibes of those are amazing. But sadly, it's gone forever. Oh, I have a box of the Metallic Knights. I didn't really like this stuff. Well, I have 2 boxes of it actually. Like, it was fine in person, but if you try to share this stuff like on social media and you try to scan it, it looks awful. I gotta shoot that. I have 4 packs of it. Maybe I should give some of this away. It was all cold storage, so it's all still probably pretty good. There's a video I'm still cooking, and that is the ultimate duochrome video. I still have packs of blue, green, yellow, and pink from Impossible Project. Someone sent this to me. Shout out to you, Cynthia. This is the black and pink. I don't know if this is even going to work. Production date was April 2017. That marks, what, 7 years, 8 years? Damn, I've got a lot of round frame. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. Oh, I remember when I bought this. Yeah, 2019 black and white Instax wide film. I think, oh no, yeah, I've got 2 boxes of it actually. I think it's the same production. Yeah, I got this on clearance from not Barnes & Noble, B&H did a clearance of this. I think I paid like $5 a pack for this. It was awesome. Ooh, I also have 2023 expiration. I don't even know where this came from. Black and white square film. I should shoot that soon. Oh, this stuff's fun too. Black frame. I have 2 boxes of the black frame. The original black frame. This was the I-type version, which, yeah, I guess they only did I-type. I don't think they ever did 600. I know they redid the box design, which I'm sure I still have some. But this stuff is from 2020, February, over 5 years ago. I've got a lot of old film. I don't know why this is in here, but I have magic cubes. Don't know how that got in there. Ah, here we go. This is what we're looking for. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of the Mandalorian Star Wars film. I think this is all from 2020. Yep, all from 2020. Cold stored ever since I've gotten it. I found somebody selling on eBay like 2 years ago, I think it was, packs of this for $10 a box. So I bought a bunch. Ooh, more black and white monochrome for 2019. How do I have 3 boxes of this? I don't remember buying 3 boxes of this. Okay, that's cool. Ooh, 2024. This stuff's so good. Pack of Go film. I got this at Walmart recently. They gave it to me for free because they had a box of Go film on clearance and it had been taped up. And I asked them, like, hey, is there any way I can open it and check it out? And they said, sure. So they opened it up. One of the packs had been opened, but this one was still sealed. And they're like, you know, we're going to throw this stuff away. You can just have it. I'm like, sweet, free film. It is old though. It's a 1.5 years past production date. Oh man, lots of film. This is fun. This has been cooking in my fridge for a long time, 5 years now. This film right here is from my very first ever expired film test for the Halloween special back in 2020, and this expired 2017. Yeah, I've been sitting on this waiting to shoot it just to see for testing purposes. That's what this, I think I even have another box of this, to be honest. And yeah, so I have some of this film left. Can't wait. I'm actually going to be shooting this soon. I'm going back to New York, and I'm going to shoot this at TWA Hotel. Hopefully, I'll get photos of me there this time, because I might be going with somebody that lives there. Shout out to you, Gregory. We talked about maybe going, so hopefully. This stuff was made for the TWA. Continue on. I still got more. Oh, I got more. I need to clean my fridge, too. I had something explode in here. How did I get this much film? There's so much. I need to shoot this stuff and stop buying more, I guess. Oh, this is really old. I bought this from B&H as well, back in 2020. But Instax Mini, it's airmail special frame. Wow. And now some good stuff. We've got pack film, ID pack film. I bought this on eBay not too long ago. It's probably not going to work out very good, but it's from 1999. This is a spot of its own. Box of 669. I think it's also from 1999. Now, I shot some of this while on Goose Week, and I still got some decent photos out of it. I shouldn't say decent. I got some results. But so I'm excited to shoot that. More pack film. All really old. Results will probably not be great. 1999, 2006. This stuff will probably work. More pack film from 2005. Ooh, that's probably gonna work. Oh, this is so cool. So members saw this. This is courtesy of Woo Photography. Pack film, black and white. I've never shot black and white pack film. 2003, might work. The last pack of pack film, FP100C, my last box. This comes courtesy of a patron member. This is from Nancy. Shout out to you. Thank you. I've had this for a couple years, to be honest, and it's been sitting in my fridge. Been going through some of the other stuff, but that's my last pack, and I'm hoping to shoot this out of the Goose for Goose Week Season 2 or something, I don't know. Partial pack of Stranger Things film. I put it back in everything, kind of sealed it up, hoping that's good enough, but I don't know if it's gonna work, but I still have one more box of film that I purchased, gosh, 5 years ago at this point. This is all February 2019. And then, one of you viewers, this popped in the P.O. box. I have 2 more packs. I'm so excited, thank you. All right, continue on. I still have some film. We've got some more Go film. We've got the last few packs of my Square film for Instax. I've got 2 more reclaimed green and a reclaimed blue pack. I love that green. That was my favorite to shoot. Bassequit film. I have 1 pack of this, and I got it last year, actually, at a arts exhibit thing. They had 1 pack left. I need to shoot that. Oh, a duochrome green. I have another box of that, or another pack of that. All right, we're getting down to the bottom of the barrel here. Dang, why do I have another Instax Square loose? Oh, you know what? I had some other photographer friend stay with me last year. Maybe they left some film. I just never knew it. Because I don't do this. I don't leave it out of the package. Okay. Ooh, a little bit more. Not much. Outside of like 6 shots of FP100C that's in the camera. I have it sealed in the fridge. I'm taking this to New York with me as well. And that's all of my instant film. I mean, I've got some like 120 and 35 in here, but I'm not worrying about that right now. Oh my gosh, there's so much film here. There's like, gosh, probably $1,000 in film right here, maybe more. Not only do I have Go film, I've got the blue and that new film, the Purple Haze. I have 2 boxes of this. The other box is actually in my backpack because I want to go shoot it. Regular color 600 film. This is my only pack. Outside of, iType, right? This is the only pack I have left. Wow. I do members giveaways from time to time, and I'm trying to find some stuff to give away. Maybe I'll do some like old film giveaways. So consider becoming a Spitfire Club member. Yeah, look at all this film. There's some good expansive stuff in here. Mostly this pile right here. There's some money right there. And of course, right here. This is all my pack film. Maybe ask yourself, how did this even happen? Well, when I do videos and like test cameras and stuff, I can't use old stuff in a camera review video because then it could alter the review of the product because maybe there's something happened to the film that I could have thought may have been the camera when in reality it wasn't. So I buy new film when I do review videos. But yeah, so a lot of times I get stockpiles of it because I'm testing cameras and I have to keep buying new stuff. And then as the time goes on, the film goes bad. I mean, some of this was good when I bought it, obviously. Now, not to say that's not bad film. It still works. I've cold stored it the whole time and it's fine. And that's kind of how it happens. I get a stockpile because I'm reviewing so many cameras. But luckily the Instax stuff doesn't really go bad. Don't be surprised if there's going to be a bunch of expired film shoot videos coming. Now it's time to put it all back in the fridge. Maybe with a little more organization. I think what I'm going to do is actually put them in like a little box that I can slide like in and out of the fridge. So I got this Amazon box. I'm just gonna cut off the flaps. That way I have, in theory, like a tray that I can just kind of put the film in, and I can pull it in and out and hopefully visually see my film a little bit better. And that way maybe I will remember to shoot certain stuff. All right, look at that. I'm gonna use eBay tape on the Amazon box. The universe might implode, so I apologize. All right, a little reinforcement to the box since it'll be in the fridge. If I'm gonna be pulling it in and out, I think that tape just might help it a little bit. Now, you're supposed to lay it flat when you store. I don't think there's anything to that because I've shot and tested that, not like a super scientific way, but just a casual test where I've let film sit flat versus standing over a course of like a month or two. I've noticed no difference. So for this, I'm standing them up because I can get more in here. Okay, I can get 3 rows. That's a lot of film. I-type here, 600 here. Maybe special frames on this side. Yeah, I guess I'll throw metallic knights back here. I think I'm gonna give some of those away, actually. Special frames. My lonely 1-pack of 600 film of color. I'll put this in the front because I'll shoot that immediately. Look at that, that's so much film. So this is actually all the Polaroid film. I've got the Go, but I don't have room for it in here. So the Go will have to go somewhere else. Actually, I lied. The Go fits in right here perfectly. I have to put it in on its side, but hey, look, it works. This is all my Polaroid film. This is all the Instax film I have. This is so much film. Whew. Probably 20 pounds, maybe, I don't know, I'm guessing. There it is. One whole shelf. Instax is gonna have to get its own shelf, I think, maybe below it. Yeah, I might be able to put it down right there. All right, let's load up some Instax. So put this there. Instax film, if not all of it. Actually, yeah, I might be able to fit all my Instax film in here. That's awesome. That's it, that's all my Instax film. Nice. I really didn't think I was gonna be able to fit it all in one box. All right, let's load this baby up. Ooh, now to get to fit in the fridge. Oh, it fits perfectly. It's just tall enough. Yeah, look at that. It just fits. Oh, and just for fun, here's my 35 and 120 film. I've got some of the Lomo, was that purple? Loma Chrome purple. We've got some 120, we got Portra. Ooh, I have some of that Phoenix Harmon. I have 1 roll left of Pro 400H. I bought this right when I got started thinking this will be my film stock. Well, it got discontinued that same year. Some Portra 400. This is from my childhood. My dad gave this to me. He was like, hey, I found this. There's a couple shots left on it, but I need to get this developed. Family photos are on there. What else is kind of cool? Oh, I got some 110 film in here. I have some Loma Chrome purple in 120. I have some effects film. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Some random goodies in there. I need to do more like 35mm 120 videos. I've been saying that forever. I'm just not as passionate about it as I am instant photography. I just find instant photography more fun. Plus, the instant gratification is also a plus. Now, I do enjoy shooting with like those disposable kind of like, I guess, toy camera point shoots, like that soda can camera. That was awesome. I love that one. I just picked up this like Mickey camera that's hilarious. I'll share that later. But I think about bringing that to New York with me at least when I go. Those are fun. I enjoy shooting those. So I need to do those videos. That's that little random film fridge vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed that. You guys wanted more vlogs, so here I am delivering. So what's in your fridge? Now get out there, make some art.